to my channel. So in the beginning there were 7. In the beginning of 2021 there were 7 happy planners, and I started the year very what can I say, motivated to be able to use every single one. Here I am on, what is the date today? June 25th. And I'm thinking, I need something that is a lot more functional for me. And I was getting to the point where, and I think you guys heard this in some of my YouTube videos as well, where that many planners was just too much for me. I kind of gave up on the memory planner because I barely did anything. I haven't used the handwriting, hand lettering planner. And my work planner. Anyway, I'll take you guys through each of these 3 that are down here. Let's get started. So out of the 7 planners that I started the year with, this is the only one that is staying, and this is my classic horizontal, and I've put this soft rose gold cover on it, and I've got it dirty. Ugh. But it was basically the Shine Like the Stars planner, and I use it as my journal. So I basically decorate the monthly spread for my gratitude, and then I write in there as well. So I am still using this and hope to finish the year in this journal. And I mean, so far there are days where I'm not great, like this whole week I haven't been great, and I mean, it is Friday and I still need to fill out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of this week. But for me personally, I'd love to have my journal for 2021 all in one planner, just so that I could easily refer to it. So this is the only one from the beginning of 2021 that is still here. Now this one, you've already seen me do a few plan with me's in this. This is my Archer and Olive planner. This was one that I was sent back, I think in November or December, and this was a collaboration with Amy Tangerine. So Archer and Olive normally do dot grid notebooks for bullet journaling, but this particular collaboration came out in an actual layout planner. So there's a vertical layout in here, and I'll show you. So this is what the vertical layout looks like, and this has been great for me for work because, as you guys have been able to see, I use the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for listing my meetings and my to-dos, and then I use the notes section here as well as Saturday and Sunday for notes. And then any extra notes that I do need, I have dot grid paper here. So for example, early this week I had a Festival of Learning training, and I used the dot grid at the beginning of the planner to take my notes. So there is still plenty of room here for me. And the reason that I moved from an hourly vertical and the daily sheets was that it was a lot for me to decorate. So I was decorating the hourly spread, but then I was also decorating 4 daily spreads, and it was a lot, and I wasn't even using all of the daily spreads. So I decided to give this a try, and it has actually worked out really, really well for me, and it's given me just enough room to write all my meetings, to write all my to-dos, and room for notes. So this is just what I need. And this is an undated planner. So far, love it. And then the third one is the newest one, the Hemlock and Oak. So this is a Canadian-based planner company that I found actually on Instagram. Thank you, Instagram. And this one is their undated planner, and it came in black or peony. So I decided to go with peony. And the reason that I like this, and I will actually put a card up here in the corner so you guys can see my proper flip through of this, is that there are pages for self-reflection, for setting goals. This is undated. And what I like about this is that you've got your year at a glance all together. And then after that, you've got all your months together. So your month is actually spaced out over 4 pages. So your goals here, space to plan, and then the actual monthly spread. I haven't completed a monthly spread for July yet. I will be filming that shortly. And then you've got the hourly vertical layout here. And what I'll be incorporating into this planner is, in the hourly vertical section will be my regular day-to-day schedule, my to-do lists, and then down here I will keep track of my steps and calories burned, and also keep track of my breakfast, lunches, and dinner, as well as tracking in my WW app. And then down this side here I will have my YouTube and Instagram schedule, because I was doing a whole planner really in my mini dashboard for social media, and I realized I didn't really need all that space. And since I would be really simplifying my whole planner lineup, I didn't need a whole planner spread for it. So using this sidebar is basically going to be just for when my YouTube videos are going to be published and what pictures I'm putting or posting in Instagram. And then in the monthly spread, I'm going to keep track of things like, and I haven't filled this out yet, but I'm going to keep track of those habits that I was keeping track of in my fitness planner. So 12,000 steps a day, 2,000 calories, 2 liters of water, 125 grams of protein, nighttime routine, and I'm also wanting to try and read at least 10 pages a day, and then kind of do a habit tracker running down the side here. And then in this monthly spread as well, I will keep track of things like my, and pre-planning, possibly budget, we will see, but also a calendar spread of all my Instagram and YouTube posts. All right, so that is the Hemlock and Oak planner with the Archer and Olive and my, very dirty classic horizontal. So there are now my 3 planners for the remainder of 2021. I'm really happy with this decision because it is allowing me to play with different layouts, but it's also, my past year on Squad has been amazing and I've had so much fun with all the different planners and the different stickers. But what I found is that I really thrive on minimalism and things being very simplified. So hopefully this round of planners will work very, very well for me. I'm hoping it does. I'll keep you guys posted with plan with me's and things like that. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.